Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best poultry leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So this one is actually a little bit tough as we're gonna start by limiting or by choosing a whole state this time, as we want to get a lot of big players and we want the poultry industry. So search that. As you can see, lots of leads come up. Georgia is the biggest or largest poultry producing state in the United States, which is why I filtered it. And with major companies like Pilgrim's Pride and Feedale Farms, it's a good place to start looking. Key decision makers, we want owners and founders, and we want directors and executives. We're only targeting the owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, cover for that case too. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to filter by revenue, and we want $1 million as I just feel like that's the baseline for like quality. If even if you're running a farm, you should be bringing in at least $1 million. Like if you're running like a farm compared to like a poultry factory, you still should be bringing in $1 million, and that's just like quality of the product. And I usually use like my first filter is like the review score, but I feel like big poultry doesn't really care about that, like marketing stuff as much because they're mostly selling to like businesses like superstores and stuff, or sorry, grocery stores and stuff. Um, so we're using revenue as kind of our like quality assurance filter today. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. We also want to go state established. We want people who have been around in the space um at least 10 years. So I'm gonna go 2014 here. So that'll give us 10 years. Next, and finally, I'm gonna go and deliver. And we want basically all the metrics today. Like, the marketing metrics aren't super important, but they are at least insightful. But the big ones you definitely want to look for are revenue, headcount, and data established when taking your list of 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. I'm just gonna add all of these because they are free to add. Search terms, search location, and search position are kind of insightful because it will show like maybe you are trying to sell marketing services to big poultry companies. Like these would kind of be the metrics to look at because they're more focused on SEO and getting discovered by other businesses than marketing to consumers on social media. So next to lock that in, we're going to finish that off. I give it a title: Poultry in Georgia. Set your contacts required. I always save it as a draft just in case I need to cancel it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch this. Poultry in Georgia. It's allocating, which means that it will take about 24 hours to get your leads back. And yeah, with that being said, that's how you find the best poultry leads using Coldlytics. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.